Before diving into video generation, it's worth knowing that there are a few different ways to access it. The fastest way is right from home. At the top of the page, you'll find a direct entry to Video Generator. You can also reach it from the sidebar. If you have it pinned, it appears there for quick access. If not, you can open all tools and find Video Generator in the list. Another way to enter video generation is from the history. If you click on an image you've already created, a window opens with several options on the right. One of those options is Create Video. Selecting it takes you to the video generation view, with that image already set as the start frame. This means the video will begin from that specific image, something we'll explore in more detail later. You can also access video generation from Video tab. By selecting video, you're taken directly into the video generator. Once inside, the first thing you'll notice is a large drop-down menu showing all the available video models. This list includes models from different providers, and each one comes with its own set of features. At the top right, you'll also find filters that let you narrow down the list by provider, by the maximum resolution each model supports, or using the search field. In this menu, you can see the credit cost for each model, displayed as a range. The final cost depends on factors like how long your video is or the resolution you choose. You'll also see key information about each model, such as the maximum resolution it supports, available clip lengths, and whether it includes features like start frame, end frame, video references, audio, lip sync, or multi-shot videos. All of these capabilities vary by model, and we'll go through them in detail in future episodes. After selecting a model, you're taken back to the main video generation window. Here you'll notice that the reference slots appear just below, matching the capabilities of the model you chose. These work similarly to what you've seen in image generation, but adapted to video workflows. Below that, you'll find the prompt box. You can work with it in text mode, using the same prompting method you're already familiar with. If the selected model supports it and you've added a start image, you can also switch to visual mode. This opens a window where you can give instructions directly on the image itself, describing what you want to happen in the video. You can guide movement, actions, or changes in the scene, very similar to how the visual tool works inside Edit Image for images. Inside the prompt box, you'll also find the prompt editor. This lets you fine-tune the prompt, tweak details, or generate variations. As you make changes, the optimized version of the prompt updates automatically, helping you shape a stronger prompt, even if you start with something very simple. Once applied, the prompt works together with your reference images, reinforcing the direction and intent of the generation. Further down, you'll find the video settings. Depending on the model, you may be able to adjust resolution, duration, aspect ratio, and whether audio is enabled or disabled. Some models offer more options, while others are more limited. The available settings always depend on the model you've selected. On the right side of the screen, you'll see your personal grid, where your videos appear as they are generated. The goal of this episode is to simply get familiar with the video generation layout and its main elements. We're not generating videos just yet. In the next episodes, we'll dive deeper into models, prompting, references, and advanced video workflows. See you in the next one.